Yeah, go for it.
Right, okay,
Oh, just so he remembers this in the morning. Oh!
Come on, you.
Did we put him in the toilet or bed?
Yeah, I'll go down.
Come on, big man. There you go.
Fucking hell.
Up you go. Up you go, big man. Whoa. James, help me.
James, seriously, stand up.
There you go, I got it. Hey!
Right, who wants to strip him?
Oh, pleasure.
Is he not dead, is he?
Is he fucked?
No, he's good.
You sure? He looks absolutely
fine.
shit-faced.
He is.
James.
James. James. He's asleep with his eyes open.
Rocky Horror, baby.
Is that possible?
Yes, he is.
So, sleep with his eyes open.
Shh. Shush.
Go. He's all right.
No, listen. Shush.
He's okay.
Leave him, it's fine. It's fine. Shh.
That's going to hurt in the morning. What did he do there?
He fell over and hit his head 3 times. Just shush. Just be quiet.
He's not going to wake up, is he?
Yes.
I fell over
You-
and
Oh!
Like that! No, that's why I said shut up! No, shut up!
he's a flog on.
James, come on, help me here. Come on, I need your help.
Oh, this is going on.
Yeah.
This is going on YouTube.
Yeah.
He needs help.
Wait,
No, because he's going to hurt himself. He needs
I know, no, James, how you doing, pal? 1, 2,
James.
3. And again, big man, up we get. 1, 2, 3.
Stay.
One minute.
Stay. James.
Bedtime. Hello.
No.
Yeah, I know. Hello. Good morning, Vietnam. Yes. No, we're in there.
You want a biscuit?
James.
James, stop it.
Early morning coffee. James.
James.
Bedtime.
Bedtime.
Your mum says you got to go to bed. Your mum.
Yeah,
James.
bedtime.
James, look at me. Calm down. No.
Right.
Calm down, okay? Please,
Bedtime,
promise
son.
me.
Bedtime.
Okay?
Good chap.
Yeah, good man.
Well done.
Do you know what day it is?